Shoot it in the driver's side door.
It had to have gone through the other side.
I had to have gone. It's not far from mine. That's pretty good. That's like directly. It didn't go through?
Good fucking God.
Look at it. It went in.
Did it hit my handle or what?
It barely puckered it.
Flew in there.
Was this always broken over here? The plastic?
No, so it ricocheted off that.
The plastic?
Yeah.
Did it?
Oh, shit, it went
Oh, it
halfway.
did go through, huh?
Did it go through?
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, that should be a hole. Yeah. It was kind of broken before.
Now it's really broken.
Now it's really broken. Hey, I feel that this car will take up some good punishment, you know.
Dude, you had a fucking gasoline tank in there. Come on.
What's wrong with that?
Oh,
Nothing. We want to see
shit.
fireworks, right?